Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. So this is gold US dollar weekly Forex forecast for the week starting from tomorrow 16th of September 2024 and the week ends on 20th of September 2024. So this week is so much important for me, and there is a lot of rumors out there and regarding gold, and like all of those rumors, if you see, has completed till now so far. Plus why this week is going to be super beneficial for all types of traders, and the upcoming week can be very dangerous for those traders who don't understand the market nicely, right my friends? So the upcoming week is considered to be highly volatile week, and last week it was a very volatile week as well. Right here on the chart, let me show you. If you see, as per my previous plans, there were bulls from 2471. Two times we have purchased from right here long term. The decision was, and right here near 2550 I closed that all of those deals, those who took buying from right here, right? And obviously there were some traders who took benefit of this range and this sell. Everything I have discussed in my previous videos, all of them were so much educational, my friends. Make sure to check them out. Now if we see, obviously 2550 I was considering to get a sort of a sell pattern, right? Now most of you know that when there is no pattern, I personally don't trade. But right here, since this 2550 was a zone, and it was in my list that I will try to sell some from the market. But anyways, the gold obviously is seems like it is 2569, and 2567 was my zone. You can again check my previous videos, and I clearly mentioned that those who are purchasing, like even I have told right here 2470, then when those missed this opportunity, this one I said this is a buying zone, and close these sell decisions. But anyways, now what's next? Actually, most of the coming on to the fresh chart, at this present moment most of the traders are holding sell positions, right? Most of the traders. Why? I also want to tell you that why most of the successful traders are holding sell positions, and their completion was approximately near 2550, then 2540. Last week I found this number as well, and 2567 most probably. But the market closed right here, so let's say right here 2580. The market overall went to 81. So right here, if you see, obviously the deals are closed right here, and nothing. We have got just nothing. And I was clearly observing this market on the lower time frames. This one I will be showing you that on the lower time frames, it was like completely, since right here when I discussed in the previous video, is that there is like this pattern formed, if you see, followed by a very fantastic support right here, and see exactly from the same support this impulsive leg all the way started. So what the market did after that is, right here, just have a close look at it. We have this tiny zone, and even the market took a retest of this particular zone, and This was a breakout retest type of trade near 2432 in almost like August, this previous August we traded this buy, right? So this sell, yes, I it stopped me out on this particular sell. Then the market continued back up. What it did is it took a third support all the way from this particular zone. Now pay close attention because these are very much educational stuff, my friends, and I will be explaining it right now. Just stay with me. So what it did right here is, let me show you. If we see, just have a look at it right here. The market created a very fantastic support and the impulsive leg. Now I don't say that sell from here. Now this sell was completely wrong because we have nothing to the left side of the market, right? If we have nothing to the left side of the market, we don't, or we cannot trade it on this specific time frame H4. We couldn't trade it. So obviously the market came down right here. Now like just have a look at the left side of the market. What the left side of the market is showing us, there is a previous structure almost present. So whenever there is a previous structure present just like it and the market came down, it continued to the top side of the market. So this one, a very fantastic one. And this sell, then if we see, this sell was not valid and this cell was a perfect valid stuff, because at the left side we have structure. And see, the market again dropped, and this was my actual selling zone 2420, and I was stopped out on this one right here. And the market continued in such a way that it didn't give me a chance to enter into a buy. So most of you will remember, then I analyzed it and we find out, like right here, this buying zone 2434, and on the basis of that, all of this breakout retest, see, breakout retest of the previous zone, we have followed this particular area. Now coming on to what last week it was showing me. Last week this was the situation on the H4, since almost I was looking for these breakout retest, breakout then retest, again a retest and a range. This is what I call a range. See, range. And obviously when there is a range, it should either break to the bottom side of the market or to the top side of the market. So right here what was happening is, let me also show you that on the H1. When market, let's have a look at it. Now ABCD studies come right here. Just have a look at it. On a H1 we have got this thing followed by an ABCD pattern. Just have a look at it. Where was the 61? Right here. So obviously if this is point A for me, just see, it became point A, it became a 61.8% retracement. Stop loss right here and take profit upon the completion. So obviously that happened near 2540, and last week I discussed 2540. So successfully the market did it and I'm super happy about it. Now when I was looking for this particular zone for a sell, what was happening is we have got a clear break of structure last week. So I spotted this, but at that moment I couldn't dare to take buy because we were already holding some buys from partial positions of the buys from lower 2470, 2470, target was 2550. So right here, further buying decisions I couldn't, and the sell obviously failed. 1, 2, 3. In 3 hours it got failed. And since then it just went up, 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 and closed above even 25.78 as well on the H1. Now further, if I show you specifically on the Thursday and Friday, these 2 days, let me add period separators. There was very special thing going on. Friday, Thursday, this one. When market closes above this particular zone, at that point this was my breakout point. I said, nah my friend, it's now not going to stop unless it touch 25.50, which was almost our level technically. Right here, you see sellers appeared right here, but they got failed, right? So I booked some loss on this one as well, around 140, maybe 180 pips I lost on this one, but it's okay, right? When a trade gives me a profit, it gives me a profit of 400 pips, but when it takes back, it is 180 pips. So I think it's okay, I'm happy, and I should be as a trader happy, because this much pips is okay to give back to the market. So this specific breakout on the H1 once happened, I started to look at the M15, that okay, after all, what's going on? And the market was barely giving any sort of retracement, so the bulls can take some buying decisions. This place, I was expecting this, but obviously market all of the time doesn't listen to me, so it didn't came right here. Now this present story, I have also told you that it is just keep going on and on and on. There is no specific level for me. But don't worry my friends, I have spent a lot of time in the market, and today you are going to learn a new concept. And what is that? I didn't expected this this much sooner. I will be able to discuss this particular plan with all of you, and this concept I will be giving you. So let's have a look at it. And it will just open your eyes that, oh, this also can happen. Yes my friend, this also can happen. It is not fair enough, right? It's not, again I'm telling you, this is not fair enough, but I'm explaining it why it happened. If this really occurred, there must be something why it occurred. The first reason is obviously this like at the start of the session I have told you that we have interest rate, federal rate or federal fund, a very, and when on Wednesday, right? Wednesday. So this is why this market is going to be highly volatile. It will be highly volatile, but let's see what it does right here. News seems to be 0.5%. This is rumors, and that 0.5% of the BPS. This is their calculation methodology, BPS they count. So according to the rumors, there are rumors spreading around there in the Forex groups that 0.5% rate cut is expected. But according to Forex Factory, 0.25 they are cutting the rates. So this is also good for the dollar. This is also extremely good for the dollar. So obviously that will put the gold down. But What I was saying is I start some other topic and then I go somewhere else. But anyways, yeah, so I was saying this is not fair. What happened is not fair. See, the market all the way was following very nicely, and even nicely right here till here. But if I tell you there was a probability that the market can give us some sort of, let me delete these Fibonacci's. The market could give some sort of, this is intraday zone, so I'm deleting it, and now I'm again switching my whole plan to the daily time frame, moving it back to its own place, followed by this, and obviously followed by this. This 2543 and 2550 was the reversal area. Reversal area, my friends. So market actually was supposed to be taking another retracement, and that retracement was going to occur. Just pay close attention. That retracement was going to occur from right here towards this 61.8% retracement. And then the setup would look something like this. See, just have a look at it. Just have a look at it, my friends. Let's change the color. See how many confirmations the market gave. So this time they did not give this confirmation and they took the market back up. So let's assume, and they have now in their mind that as per this particular plan, the market was supposed to be taking a bounce off from 61.8% retracement, but it took a bounce from right here. So as per the previous plan, the next level comes out to be 2603. And if we count it from right here, then the next level comes to be 2647. So this is the long term, and it can happen in the upcoming week because we have a fundamental activity. Right now, let's move again to this. See, this was the breakout point, right? Some sell, and this was. Anyways, let's delete everything. Indicator list, oops, object list. Oh, there is no list all. I have to manually select everything. Oh, MT4, this isn't this so backward? Okay, I think the chart is clean now. So what is now happening? Obviously, let's delete this as well, because the market C is completely now on the lower side of the market. There was on the H4 I discussed, and even the market no doubt completed it. So those were like completed near 2570. This plan I gave, it must be maybe somewhere right here. I definitely discussed it. Oh, this was one other plan. Okay, 2568. Just see, 2470 as a buy, this as a buy, and then I obviously told if it break, then this is going to happen. If it go up, it drops. This was a very fantastic trade opportunity as well. And right here I said if it continues straight up, then a buy right here. That did not happen. So yes, this particular trade we didn't get it. The market did what I was expecting, but it did not like, you know. Oh right, I got it. So this now is completely possible that the market can do this instead. 25.30 once again in the upcoming week before the interest rate, if it gives us that. See, this trade plan we had in mind. So now I have to see whether I get this bullish intraday and weekly setup right here near 25.30, and if not, then this will be the case. Okay, this either it will continue down like this, will give a retracement back, and then I obviously will target this 24.20. See how magical this thing is. So this was one other plan. Let's see if we get 25.30 in the upcoming week. It can be a fantastic buying opportunity for weekly basis, obviously, right? So I hope you will understand it and you will like this plan. Make sure I need a lot of likes on this particular session. Sorry, the webcam was a little bit bigger and I just remember it right now, and I completely recorded the whole session. Oh my god, I was supposed to make it like this. I'm really, really, really sorry, all of you. So, yes, but when I am focused on the charts, I am like completely forget everything. I just like enters in these charts, right? So, yeah, let's see. Well, it's been quite a long time since I have no like no live stream, but I obviously want to discuss uh, something about life as well. Like it's not just about the forex. This weekend I went to this place in my let me see. Okay, let me this beautiful place right here, and it was like fantastic. I will be showing you those images. Oh, this was like a pure water. Just you see. I'm not sure if you can see or not. Oh my God, this water was like flowing. Just have a look at it. Just hear the voice and just have a look at the place. It was a fantastic place, right? Let me show you another one. Oh, this picture I took. Let me just hide this. Um, what is it? Okay, let's have a look at this. So, a very beautiful place it was. I definitely will be trying to just see water everywhere flowing. I'm not sure if you can see or not. Yeah, now you can see. See, beautiful place it was. In the next episode, I will try to show you right here on the system, right, everyone? So yes, it's pretty much late, almost 10:43, and I had a lot of work at the garage today, and it's like a complete burden. Fix this, fix this. Anyways, I will straight go to bed after this video, right? Give me your strong feedback. I'll see you maybe tomorrow. If the market, there was something to discuss about the market, then I will appear right here on my channel. So click the bell icon as well, right? And just in case, just in case uh, you need any help, this is my WhatsApp number, right? If you need to learn these technicals, I can help you in that. Do contact me, right? So yeah, let's see tomorrow, let's see next time, I mean maybe tomorrow. So till then, take a lot of care of yourself. I will see you. Goodbye. Goodbye.